Our top story, Billings police are searching for a suspect allegedly involved in a road rage shooting in the Heights late last night. It happened just before midnight when officials received a 911 call reporting a motorist had been shot at during a road rage encounter near Wicks Lane and St. Andrews Drive. The suspect was spotted on Wicks Lane traveling at a high speed and a chase ensued. Yellowstone County Sheriff's deputies joined the pursuit. The suspect was stopped via spike strips but then fled on foot and was lost in an apartment complex. He is described as a light-skinned male wearing a black hoodie. The vehicle was seized and the investigation is ongoing. There are no injuries to report.
This person has probably ruined his whole life over this road rage shooting.